Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover all WhatsApp deleted messages. So for this, first of all, just open the WhatsApp application on your mobile, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go for settings. And in settings, you have to go for this chats. And now if you scroll down, you will see the last option, chat backup and chat history. So you have to tap on this chat backup and now you can see this backup messages. This will create a backup and now our backup is created. So if you are doing it first time, it will ask you backup to Google Drive, like monthly, weekly or daily. So you have to select any option, and after this is done, what you have to do is you just have to go back from WhatsApp and open your phone settings. From here you have to go for app management, and in app management go for app list. From here you just have to search for WhatsApp and now go for storage and cache. Tap on this clear cache and tap on this clear storage also. After this, go back and tap on this permissions and make sure to allow all the permissions to this WhatsApp application like this. You just have to allow all the permissions. Now just go back to your WhatsApp application, select your language here. So you have to tap on this agree and continue, enter your phone number here, tap on next, click on OK. And after this, WhatsApp will install your backup and all messages already. If you tap on OK, and now you will find this option looking for backups. So you have to tap on this backup and now you can see this restoring backup, and now WhatsApp will find your backup automatically and you can see that. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.